So you are under a really tight budget of 50,000 and you want a best looking gaming PC. And your old friends tease you because you have a trash looking PC. You want your new PC to have all the RGB.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And you search on YouTube and the only things you get are around 70 to 80,000 rupees only for the PC.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
But your budget is only 50,000 rupees.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So you are at the right place, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the cheapest RGB PC build in the market right now, and it's gonna be looking insane. And it's also under your budget of 50,000 rupees. The total PC cost is around 47,000, and only the gaming PC cost is around 36,000. 47,000 is with the peripherals, and everything we're gonna be using is RGB, and this comes with a liquid cooler. Trust me, you're gonna be loving this PC build. It's under 50,000 rupees mark, and let's head into the video and go. So the first thing is, like, if you're in full screen mode, just go out of the full screen mode and you can see a red button right there. Yeah, you. So press that red button and subscribe to the channel. It's free. You have only 5 seconds for subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell notification. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I hope you subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna be going to the PC build right now. So the first thing we're gonna be needing is the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. I'm gonna be stressing on looks, not performance. So you can't like hope this PC to perform really good. You can't hope this to perform like all AAA titles above 60 FPS. This PC will give you around 30 FPS in the AAA titles. So I think it's gonna be good. So you're gonna be needing an AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. It is an APU, and we are gonna be not using any GPU in this build. The next thing we're gonna be going for is the motherboard. So the motherboard is a Gigabyte GA320M. It comes with 2 RAM slots, and it's gonna be enough for the PC build we are doing because we're gonna be using only 2 RAM sticks, and it's gonna be looking insane. The next thing we are gonna be needing is the Team Group T-Force Delta Tough DDR4 16 gigs of RAM and 3200 MHz, and it's RGB. You know, RGB helps you a lot in looks, and it's 16 gigs for more Chrome tabs. The next thing we're gonna be needing is the Corsair VS450 White 80+ White power supply. It's only 2.4K and it's pretty insane for that price. The next thing is a Corsair Hydro H60 liquid cooler. I know you're surprised, we are using a liquid cooler in this build, and the liquid cooler is 5.6K and it comes from Corsair and it's RGB. So the main focus on this build is RGB. So the next thing is the Anti-Sports 511MT mid-tower mesh gaming cabinet, and it comes with 4 of these RGB fans. You're gonna be thanking me after you build this PC because this PC is gonna look like a beast. And this is a really good cabinet at this price. The next thing we're gonna be going for is the Antec Sparks 120 RGB case fans. You're gonna be kidding me, 639 rupees for the RGB case fans. The next thing is the WD Green 240GB M.2 SSD. I know that it's not a lot of storage, but you are the one who is under a tight budget, right? So this is the best mark under like 50k. You can add the SSD if HDD if you want to, because the whole PC is gonna cost 4.47k. Yeah, 47k. So you can add the 2000 rupees, 2900 rupees Seagate 1TB Barracuda, but that's gonna take you around 49k. Then you won't have any budget for installing Windows. But if you can push your budget like 51k, I know most of you can, so add that 1TB HDD. The next thing we're gonna be needing is the peripheral. So we have the Cosmic Bios Solar Gaming Essentials combo. Is a keyboard, mouse, mousepad, headphones, everything RGB except the headphones. Mousepad is also RGB, everything under a 2.7k mark. Now we're gonna be needing a good monitor to display everything, so we are gonna be needing the Acer Nitro 21.5-inch Full HD VA panel, 75Hz monitor. It has a 215-inch display and one VGA port and two HDMI ports. So it's gonna be pretty insane, guys. So over here your PC build is complete and you have all these RGB things right here. What it's gonna cost you? It is only 47.19k. So it's a pretty sweet spot under 50k. As I told you, you can add the HDD for 2990. That's gonna take the PC cost to 50,009 rupees. And Windows, you can take the trial version for some days, or you can go to some websites like windowkey.in and you can buy an OEM key for 750 rupees. So the whole PC is gonna cost you 50,000. I did my promise. You have to do your promise of subscribing. So subscribe to the channel, help us reach 1k subs. Currently we're at 103 subscribers. So currently the sub goal is 200, of course. But if you guys can share this video with your friends and help me reach 1k subscribers, I'll be really grateful. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video, and hope this build helped you, and peace out.